How to set up buy online pickup in store on Nordstrom. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can use when shopping online on Nordstrom.com or the application. So let's get started. So here in Nordstrom itself, we can look out for the products that we want to purchase, and after we purchase, the buy online pickup store means it lets you order items online and then pick them up at a nearby Nordstrom store. So once you open up the website or the application, you can directly go to a category or to the search page, for example, this specific category. So once you head over here, what we can do is we can look out for the filter option and tap on it. And once we tap on it here, we can look out for the option of pickup at store if available. You can just go and look out for free pickup option here if available and tap on view results and do so. Otherwise, you can directly look out for the product itself, and within the product page also, we should be finding a free pickup filter option. So you can go ahead and scroll down, and before adding it to your bag, you can look out for free pickup option and add it to bag. Usually in your cart also you should be finding a pickup option. Right now it's not available for me, but you should be finding the option of available for pickup right above the shipping option, where you can click on, and once you click on, you can set up your zip code and choose up a store where you want to pick up your order. You can often choose pickup today if it is in stock locally, and you can just go over and check out, ensure the pickup method instead of shipping is selected for each of the item that offers it, and once your order is ready, you'll be getting an email or app notification. And if this store supports curbside pickup, the notification will include instructions for that option, and you can go ahead and pick it up from your store. And always bring up ID when you arrive. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can head over and follow this method, and you should be able to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.